Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. DOM elements. So I hope you already have some basic understanding of HTML before watching this. I haven't uploaded any HTML tutorial so far, but I will do soon. So let's suppose I have a div called div inside a class which is container, and inside this container I have a paragraph called paragraph, and this paragraph has an ID of text. Let's suppose, okay, this this paragraph has something called hello world. As you can see inside here, I'm using code pen online text editor. So to in, in javascript, to get this item, all you have to do is mention a variable called, let's suppose, text equal to document dot get element by id, because we are using a id here, so that's why we are taking the id element using get element by id. So document dot get element by id, and inside this we have to pass this text here so we can select this paragraph. So we're writing text here. So if you console log this text variable, let's select text, let's, let's see what we get. So we are getting this thing. As you can see, we are getting this item. So we have selected the item properly. Now what we have to do is, let's suppose I want to change this hello world to something else. So what I have to do is type the variable name this text, or you can text element, so it will be easier to understand. Text element dot inner html equal to new hello world. As you can see, it is changed. So if you want to do something like a button, and when the button will click, this text will change. So what I have to do is, I'm just uh, taking a button here in html and put a id equal to btn, and for button is equal to document.getElement by id, the same thing that we are doing did in the previous. So btn, and whenever we click this button we have to change this, like this event will occur whenever the button will be clicked, right? So for that, what I have to do is type the name of this button and put a dot here and add event listener. There are so many other event listener out there, just like scroll, on click, on over. So for now we are using on click. And whenever this button will be clicked, a function will generate. So what I have to do is put a comma here and type the name of the function. So don't put this here. So whenever we click on it, we want to we want to launch this event. We don't want to launch the event as soon as the page load. So if you type this will not work properly. So you have to write this. So we have already uh, mentioned the name of this function, so we have to create this function just like we normally do. Function, and inside this function we want to put this thing here. So now it is showing hello world. Whenever I want to click it, you see this is new hello world. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.